Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. When you guys are strolling along the beach with your family or your friends, did you guys ever notice there was a tube bag-like structure surrounding the shoreline? Did you guys ever wonder, what is that thing and why are they placed there? Is it just for decorations or are they placed there on purpose? Hello, my name is Siti Hajar binti Mohd Kamari and I'm going to explain what exactly that things that you're so curious about. Well, that tube bag-like structure is what we call a geotube. What is a geotube? This is some of the examples of geotube. A geotube is an effective dewatering technology container that is fabricated from specially engineered textile that provides confinement of the fine solids inside the container. Geotube systems have proven to be exceptionally valuable for protecting shorelines from erosion, particularly during heavy waves and tropical storms. This is the example of heavy wave and tropical storm that may occur and damaging the shorelines. If you guys notice, I have mentioned about dewatering technology, right? You might be wondering, what is that term dewatering technology means and its connection to the geotube? Well, let me tell you. Dewatering technology is a system or a process to remove water from the slurry mixture that contains water and sediments. In this case, the dewatering process in the geotube is when the water is drained through the small pores of the specially engineered textile, leaving only the solid materials inside, such as the sand and soil. You can see in the video that the water is drained through the small pores in the geotube and leaving only sediments such as soil and dirt inside. In the previous practice that was done by other companies, the watering process is implemented. But for the new practice that was currently researched, the geotube is facing a problem with its structure shape stability, since the idea of skipping the watering process and directly maintaining the slurry mixture of sand and water inside the geotube is suggested as the new design. For the new practice of installing geotube structure on site, the structure is built with two layers. Previously, they only used a single sediment bag and the bag allows for the dewatering process to happen. Since the sediment bag is very expensive, therefore, they will suggest to use two layers of the geotube, which is the outer layer using polypropylene, also known as PP woven, and the internal layer will be linear low density polyethylene or LLDPE. This practice will help in reducing the cost and time of installation on site. External bracing frame was introduced as the proposed solution to the geotube structure shape stability problem. The bracing frame will be used as a support for the geotube during the installation and operation on site to prevent the structure to be overexpanding during the filling process. Let's take a look at the conceptual design of the bracing frame of Geotube. And this is the before and after the bracing frame is applied to the Geotube. The function of the bracing frame is to make sure that the Geotube stays in shape and not overexpanding during the filling process. The general specification of the bracing frame is that the size varied and depends on the Geotube structure size. For the shape and material, it is rectangular or elliptical in shape and made from SS316 stainless steel. We must know that for every invention or improvement of man-made design is the benefit and an advantage that it will bring to mankind or society. Therefore, the benefit of this bracing frame is it will help in maintaining the shape of the Geotube. With simple design of a frame brace but still high in strength, installation will not be arduous. Not to mention, it can reduce the cost and time of installation on site since the dewatering process can be eliminated. Besides benefit or advantage that it will bring to us, sustainability is also an important element in a project. So, the sustainability of this project is it is a part of the marine and shoreline technology that was specifically designed for containment of shoreline and erosion protection. This project was a collaboration between My Flexi Tank Industri Sendirian Berhad and Faculty of Engineering Technology, Universiti Tun Hussein on Malaysia. My Flexi Tank is a supplier of a more efficient and cost-effective bulk liquid packaging that can transport many types of non-hazardous liquids locally and internationally. It is the premier Flexi Tank suppliers from Malaysia and first established in 2006. The headquarters is in Sungai Petani Kedah, and now My Flexi Tank has one more branch which is in Selangor. This project was a tender that was given to our principal researcher, Dr. Muhammad Aimullah bin Abdullah, with the help of a few other researchers. Therefore, we hope our target is this research will go as planned and the Geotube bracing frame structure will be available to install on site within 1 year time. This product will bring a lot of advantage to the shoreline's protection system since the watering process can be eliminated during the installation and the shape stability problem can be solved. Now that we have come to the end, it will not be completed without some appreciation to those involved in this project. 1,000 thank you to Dr. Muhammad Aimullah bin Abdullah as our principal researcher and team leader, Dr. Aslinda binti Saleh, Dr. Helmi bin Mustafa Al-Bakri, and Dr. Muhammad Farid bin Syari from FTK UTHM. Last but not least, Mr. Khairul Nizam bin Mustafa and Mr. Muhammad Mohsin bin Hashim from My Flexi Tank Industri Sendirian Berhad, in hope for a successful collaboration. Thank you.